This Etsy store is making $92,000 a month. A month! She can basically buy a new Cybertruck every month and still have some money left. And she's selling digital products, which, if you've been following me, you know my opinion about them. I like them. And I own a couple successful Etsy digital stores myself, but whenever I see someone like that, I have a huge respect for them. So this is the store, and she made 1 million digital sales. That's a lot. And she sells a variety of different products, such as tumbler wraps. They look like this. She has some clip art sets as well. But most importantly, she sells SVG bundles of quotes, objects, and sometimes a combination of both, like this one. So now let's analyze what is she doing, and then I'm going to show you how you can create similar thing yourself using a simple tool called Kittle. First thing first, as you can see, she has a lot of listings, okay? She has 6,000 listings, which is going to take you some time to get to this level. But don't get discouraged, because I own similar stores. Some of them have a lot of listings, like thousands of them at this point, but some of them have maybe 50, 60, and they sell the same products she's selling, and I make decent money with it. You know what? Let me just actually show you this store. Okay, so this is the store. It literally has 50 listings in similar categories: SVGs, clip art, and things of the nature. This store is about 3 months old, and in November last month, we generated almost $800 in sales, and the profit was $649. So you can definitely be successful with this even without having so many listings. But what I think works very well for her is that she has all these individual listings, like this one, right? Merry Christmas, Believe, Mary and Bride, right? And then she combines them into big bundles, such as this one, where you can buy all her SVG bundles into one. And this one sell at 197 times, because whenever someone visits her store, they rather go for a bundle that has more items than the ones that is just like one or two. So basically, she's using these individual listings to bring traffic to her store, and then she combines these individual listings into one big one, put it in a bundle, and sell it for a higher price. It's an extremely successful strategy that I use myself, and you can do it too. So you just need to have an idea of, okay, I'm creating Christmas bundle, so that way I need to plan my individual listings that are related to Christmas, and once I have a good amount, let's say, I don't know, 100 items, I combine it into one big one and sell it on Etsy. Does it make sense? Okay, but how do you create a listing like this, which has a bunch of quotes about cats and cat ladies and things of the nature? Very simple. You can use a tool called Kittle, which in my opinion has the best fonts on the market, and they also have all the other tools that you need, such as AI to generate images, mockup generator, and some other stuff. And Kittle is free, but if you want to use the premium features like the AI generator, you will need to buy the premium plan. But don't worry, you can use the coupon code that you hear right here. It's going to give you 25% off, so you can save money. But seriously, if you want to get the most optimal package, just get Kittle, because you get the graphic designer software, AI generator, and the mockup generator in one place. Otherwise, you will need to buy 3 different softwares, okay? You would need to get Midjourney, then maybe Photoshop, etc. There's like 3 different subscriptions. Kittle, it's one subscription for all these 3 things, okay? That's why I like Kittle. Okay, so we're gonna create a new project in Kittle, and we're gonna go with the standard square. The only thing we're gonna change here is the resolution to 300. Okay, now we're gonna use their font feature, which is right here, and we're gonna click on add a headline. And this is where all the magic happens. First, we're gonna increase it to, let's say, 250. Actually, let's make it even bigger than that. Voila. Okay, now we wanna create something similar to this. So we're gonna use Kittle fancy fonts. Again, they have so many, and even if you feel like there's no enough, you can upload your custom fonts. So you can buy fonts from like other websites and then upload them to Kittle. But I'm gonna go with this one, and check this out. I can modify these fonts whichever way I want it, because they allow you to do transformations, which means, you see like this one, for example, right here is like wavy. I can do this very easily with custom transformation, and I can create wavy text myself. So this one says books, coffee, cats, books. We're gonna copy that one, coffee, cats. Oh, this one says and cats. Okay, so we're gonna add and. There you go. And I can adjust this whichever way I want it. So if I want the add sign to be a little bit higher, maybe this part a little bit lower. Now I'm gonna change this a little bit, and this one like here. And let's fix the cat one too. So cat is gonna be more like this. And let's make this one a little bit bigger, just like this. And voila, I have my wavy font style done just like that. But now let's say I want to add some cat's paws. Kittle has elements built in, so you can go right here and type in cat paw. We're gonna select these and put them right here. You can change the color if you want to. You can change it to red or something, but we're gonna stick to black because that's what our design is already looking like. And boom, simple, easy, and very cool. But what about if you want to create an element and you're not very creative? That's cool because Kittle has an AI image generator built in. So let's say you want to create this SVG gnome, so you can see right here. Okay, so SVG files are files specifically designed for prints. And a lot of crafters are looking for SVG files because these are the best files when you're trying to print things out. And they're kind of limited with the colors. So usually SVG files are not very like complicated. They're usually very simple. Just like this one, okay? Just like a one color thing. It's very simple, but cool and effective. And Kittle has the AI image generator that can create SVG files. And by the way, if you want to save this as a SVG file, we will click on download and change it from PNG to SVG. And this text that we created right here will be saved as a SVG. But let's remove this for a second and click on this icon right here, this little star. This is Kittle AI. And we're gonna go with the image generator. And this is what the dashboard of this AI generator looks like. Right here, they have saved up styles. And the one that's gonna interest us are the vector styles. So you can click on show all because vectors are SVGs, okay? SVG files. And they have a bunch of different ones, okay? We're looking for something simple, so I believe the emblem could work, or maybe this one, just vector art. Maybe go with vector art, okay? We're gonna go with that one. And here's the prompt menu. So this is where you tell AI what you wanna create. So we wanna create a Christmas gnome. So that's what I put in. And now I'm gonna click on generate image and let's see what type of results we're gonna get. And voila, here's our gnome. But the thing about this guy is that it's black. And usually you wanna sell them as black or white. But our competitor is selling them as red, but that's very easily changeable. You can just click on the color right here and change it to red, and voila, now it's red. You make it bigger and you're done here. You can download this as a SVG and congratulations, you just made one of those. But now let's say you want to put one of these designs on the mockup because mockups are very important. They add more credibility to your designs and the crafters, they're going to buy from you. They're going to get a better vision of what your design can look like on a t-shirt or a mug or something like that. As you can see, she is using mockups too, okay? She's using them. She's putting the quotes on the t-shirts and this is great. I think this adds more conversion to her listings. She has a high conversion of 8%. This is an easy way to increase it. And with Kittle, it's very easy to create a mockups because all you have to do is just click right here where it says mockup and a very cool templates, okay? Very cool templates that like align the design on a t-shirt. So this is like the most basic one. By the way, you can change the color of the t-shirt if you want to. But if you type in t-shirt, you're gonna see all their mockup designs they have. So for example, this one right here. Wow, she looks so cool, so edgy, such a cool girl. So this design adjusts to her, like the way she stands. As you can see, like it's kind of like 3D, okay? So like she has a, breast here. It kind of like goes over her breast or the wrinkles. Like it's cool. It's really cool. And this is the simplest way to stand out because trust me, nobody is using these mockups. I know this because not a lot of people are using Kittle and I think they're missing out because this is amazing, okay? Here's another example. Again, like it's just putting up on the mockup, very easy. You can change the color of the t-shirt. I don't know, make it yellow, for example. And boom, it looks really cool. And look, I love Kittle. I really like this product a lot. And if you want to use it, I'm going to have a link for it down below. And please don't forget to use the coupon code right here. It's going to give you 25% off their premium. Again, premium gives you the AI features and stuff like that. But don't worry, if you just want to try it out, Kittle is free, okay? You can just use it for your designing tools. You're going to get access to a lot of stuff, the fonts and all the other stuff as well. Just some things are behind the paywall, but you get the best for your buck. If you're trying to save money and be on a budget, don't have a lot of money to spend on designing tools, in my opinion, this is the best one. Okay, but that's enough for today. If you enjoyed this, drop a like. I'll see you next time. Bye.